I had just opened in the 10th, game 4. So I'm like, my ball reaction is fading. I know I only need 2-0. Okay, so just don't do anything stupid. First shot misses the head bend. The second shot goes through the face. I'm like, all right, so I got great ball reaction here. Well, I missed the head bend, made the spare, made a baby split.
Made it.
Then left a 2-4 and chopped a 2-4. And I was like, of course.
That took you from needing like a double that game?
Yeah, to now I need like a triple.
Now you need a triple. I'm like, where's he gonna find it?
Yeah. So then I lower 10, I'm like, okay. Then I go 6 to the middle and now I'm starting to freak out. I make it. So I got a baby split, I got the 136, I have a 2-4, 7-10, and I chopped the easiest one. So then I'm like, all right, so let me just move a little bit, 6-pin, 6-pin. Now I'm starting to freak out a little. Now I know I need to find a double, and I haven't struck in 7 frames. So I got the double, and I'm like, all right, just give me a clean frame. That's all I thought I needed. I didn't know that the cut was going up. So then I threw it, I'm like, oh, that's close. And I saw the ring 7, and I'm like, all right, just make it. And then I saw the pin, I'm like, come on. And then I had to like stay composed. And because I could have celebrated, but
you did.
I knew I still needed to make a good shot. I thought the second one in the 10th was better than the first one, and it never hooked. And then the first thing I hear is, oh, you might miss it by 1 now that you missed the 3-pin. They thought it was 103 for a minute. And my mom's on the phone, and she goes, Brendan, why didn't you get the 1? I said, I can't talk to her. I just bailed out a triple for 190, and I got my mom on the phone. Brendan, why didn't you get the 1? Now we're just playing on house money, and whatever happens, happens. So we'll take it 1 shot at a time and hope for the best.
He's gonna bowl 230, 240 a game, or he's gonna bowl 190 a game. Unfortunately, you're just playing the pair.
I wanted to throw the plastic and the urethane to give myself a little shim. I messed up the lane. All right, here we go. Round 1, Sean Lavery spar. 3-game total wood. We'll hope we have enough, or more than he does, after 3 games. Let's go.
Stay in the way.
Yeah, just gotta be slow. Good luck.
I didn't think that one was very good, actually. The whole point of throwing the urethane ball is to play the hole. Wrong direction. Shot. All right, good shot.
The 1 and the second ones are very good.
No, the 1 in the second frame, you 2 left.
And
Yeah, that's right. Shot, B.
Better right.
Good job, B. Nice game, buddy.
so the first one in the 10th was good.
Yeah,
The second one in the 10th was good. The third one, I grabbed it and it froze there.
Just stay down there, stay in the moment, just be patient.
Okay.
Great shot. They're good passes.
Yeah, I really feel like I'm getting through it like right now. I'm posting it up. I did move 1 starting the game.
That's fine. If you think that you're fine where you're at, I'm okay with it.
I think I'm fine. Yeah.
Come on, what you're doing is good.
What do you think? The one on the left lane I didn't think was that good. That one I didn't think was that
not
bad.
good. You can't. The one that you saw an 8 over there, I think you need to move back right on that. It makes better hands.
That ball was good to go. Now that was a good one.
Come on.
That was a good one. I like that one.
Just get back down there. Remember.
Did you move?
I did.
Remember what you did last night at the end of that game? Gave it a little bit of loss.
Yeah.
Just a hair. You didn't read the laner. Great shot. Back it up. One more.
Oh. If I just trust it to the left and let it fucking shape, it's fine.
It works.
You're okay.
I still think you have to move on that lane. But that lane is still close. The good thing is you're going to move right much, but just be aware that that lane hooks on the right.
I don't like that.
When you move, just use the push instead of trying to hook
When I
it off.
move, I hook it off of it.
Yeah, like if you're gonna move, you gotta move your eyes. If you're not gonna move, it's fine. Then you got to stay there. It just depends on how clean you want to be with it. You know?
Well, I let that one go.
Yeah. The only difference is when you move, just bring your eyes with you and use the hole.
Yes. Yeah.
So use the hole. Come on.
Please hook.
That was a really good pass.
Can you get your hand around it?
I can, I just don't want it to get to the end of the pattern and go sideways.
You just need a little bit of hump.
You're right, please.
Shot.
Yeah, Blaine, please, please, please.
Just accept the fact that 7 pin was great, and then just make another
Oh,
shot.
the last two are really good.
Yeah.
Thank you. You as well. Yeah, Blaine. I have no idea what to do.
Well, let's go to the next scenario. If you think you're that lost right now, do you try to move in and try to play 5, 6, 7?
I have no idea. I have no idea what to do. I feel like if I throw the mesmerize, it hooks immediately and does nothing. This ball either strikes or splits, and I have no idea.
I'll tell you right now, now. Your tempo right now.
Sucks.
You're real whippy at the
Yep.
bottom. Instead of just nice clean through it.
Okay, so what am I gonna do?
Make a good pass, go right up 4 or 5.
Of course.
Thing, or do you try a shot from in a little bit and see where it's at?
I think I'm gonna trust it more way left.
Okay, then stay there.
Think I move at all? Think I move at all?
No.
Way off.
That was good.
Yeah, that was still a little bit up the lane.
What?
That was still a little bit up the lane.
Yeah, but it was clean off your hand. Other than that, you were right there.
It's too hard.
I don't think it's too hard. I think you're giving some off and you're giving it too much.
And it's going that way.
Yes.
Where it needs to just go that way.
Just easy, like we talked about.
Hell. Oh no. Be right. Close. Good lane. Nice ball, man.
Well, good luck.
Thank you.
Way to go.
Nice job, buddy. Good job.
Live in advance. Live in advance.